All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at some more English phonics. So, IE, IE. So, night, N-I-T, I-G-H, N-I-T, night, night. And L-I-K, like, like. There we are. Very good. Like. Very good. Very good. And dry. Dry. With an Y. Dry. Dry. The paper is dry. Is dry. Oh. Is dry. Dry. Not dry. Dry. And wild. 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 Like an animal. Like a lion, for example. A wild lion. Wild lion. How cool is that? And pie. P-I. Not P-E. Pie. P-I. Pie. Pie. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Pie, yeah. Pie. How cool is that? Yeah. And height. Not hate, but height. 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 How cool is that? So different ways of saying the IE phonics. I, night, it, IE, like, I, dry, I, wild, pie, pie, a, eight, hate, height, height. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.